Today I'm making some granola, just a small batch as I am single, and it is a no oil recipe. So I have 1¼ cup of oats, 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds, 1/4 cup of coconut, and 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds, which I did chop smaller. I need to find a spoon. I'm going to stir those up. Move that stuff out of the way. And over here I have my magic bullet, and I'm going to mix 4 dates pitted, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Oops, forgot to preheat the oven. The oven is at 300 degrees. So it's all blended. So I'm going to pour that into my oats and stir that all around. It smells good. I can smell the vanilla and the cinnamon. I don't have metal baking pans. I don't have cookie sheets, so I'm going to just put it in a glass pan. It's going to cook for a total of 40 minutes at the most, but make sure you stir it maybe once or twice during the cooking so that it browns evenly. So spread that out a bit. And we'll wait for the oven to heat up. The oven is heated, so I'm just going to pop it in on the middle rack. And I'm going to leave it about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm going to stir it for the first time and check on it. Well, it's been cooking for 15 minutes. Take it out and give it a stir. Spread it out again. Whoops. I'm going to put it on for another 15 minutes and then check on it and stir it if it needs longer. Well, I cooked it for a total of 35 minutes. It's nice and golden brown. Now I'm just going to let that cool, and then I will put it in a jar. And I'll tell you some of the ways I use it. Well, the granola has cooled, and it filled that much of a jar. And I've got some mixed fruit in here, some blueberries and peaches and pineapple. And the way I like to eat this is I add some plain yogurt. Then I sprinkle some granola on top. Another way I eat it is I do sometimes put applesauce or chopped apples in a bowl, and I sprinkle some granola on top, and I cook it either in my little toaster oven or just in the microwave. And another way that I use it is just to eat it like cereal in the morning with berries on top or anything. And those are my ways I like it, but this I'm having because I've done a workout, change my clothes, and now I'm going to have a snack. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you next time for a new recipe or some tips.